Welcome to the assembly video for the Saris Axis steel rack. This video is not meant to be a replacement for the instruction manual that came with your product. To assemble the Axis steel, you will need the included 5 and 6 millimeter hex keys and a 3/4 inch wrench or adjustable wrench, which is not included. Insert the receiver bar until it is 90 degrees from the vertical tube. Make sure the angled end is sloping toward the rack. Insert the lower tilt bolt through the receiver bar and attach with the 1/2 inch washer and 1/2 inch lock nut. Secure the nut with a wrench and hex key until it is tight. Make sure the remaining bolts on the rack are tight using the hex key and wrench. If your hitch is 2 inch, install the 2 inch adapter before installing on your vehicle. Like all Saris racks, the Axis steel has a lifetime warranty and is made in the USA. For more information on Saris racks, visit your local dealer or go to saris.com.